Welcome. In front of me is a UMIDIGI G5 Tab, and today I will show you how you can import contacts from your SIM card to the device. So to get started, open up your standalone contacts application. Next, we're going to navigate to Organize, Manage SIM, and this will display all the contacts that are located on your SIM card. By default, the device will try to import contacts to your Google account. Of course, Android will try to, appeal to itself so it can have more data. So click right here, probably drop it, change it to the device, so discard that. So you're not sharing someone else's phone number with Google without, their permission. That's kind of what you're doing in reality. Anyway, from here, you can also deselect contacts that you don't want. And as you've seen, all these contacts were deselected for me before because they existed on Google account. But when I switch it to the device, that's no longer the case because none of them actually exist on the device. So from here, click on import. This will obviously import all selected contacts. And no, I don't want to import them. That's why I selected device. So go screw yourself, Google, dismiss. And when we go back to our contacts list, you should be able to see them somewhere in here. Sometimes you might need to change the display location. As you can see, we have a couple options: device, SIM card, Google account, and all contacts. So choose whichever one you want. And that's it. Now, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.